So here what I am trying to, let's say if your blood is flowing from this particular location, what will happen? If you are intravenously inject the blood in your body, so the blood will start diffusing, and since let's say if you are assuming this one is the tumor, right? So since due to diffusion, the concentration gradient will occur from this top side to bottom side. So diffusion will start taking place from this top to bottom direction, right? And we are trying to find out how much time it is taking to get saturated completely, and after that what is the time required for when the clearance will start in vitro conditions. So in your body continuously, in vivo condition continuous clearance would be there, but in vitro condition you are supposed to optimize the time when the drug is getting saturated in your this in vitro condition, and after that you will send some uh, drug free medium, so that again reverse diffusion of the drug will start taking place from tumor side to the vasculature side, and again the clearance will take place, something like that.
कैंसर रिसर्च के लिए ना
हाँ, दिस इज फॉर कैंसर.
कैसे एक्सपेरिमेंट सक्सेसफुल हो जाएगा तो फिर क्या इम्पैक्ट है
Impact is like that, the device that we are making, so the cancer, any kind, let's say if you want to screen large number of libraries of drug, right? So 1,000 chemicals hoega, and for that chemicals, every time you cannot inject some drugs in the human body, that is unethical, and you are not supposed to do that. That's why we are making such kind of device, so where you can screen 1,000 chemicals at the same time, and you can get the results, and you can
बेसिकली आप कस्टमाइज ड्रग
yeah.
दे दोगे
Yeah.
बेस्ड ऑन पेशेंट्स जीन
based on patient's gene.
Gene expression, yeah.
So this is in vitro condition where you are bypassing the animal trial or human trial. Directly this device will let you to go to the clinical trial.
मतलब कुछ आपको करना ही नहीं है अच्छा मतलब बेसिकली आप सिमुलेशन एक फिजिकल मटेरियल में रन करा लोगे
Yeah, so once this simulation will
तो
work.
मान लो एक सर्टेन लाइक माय फ्रेंड इज देयर उसको एक कैंसर हो गया ठीक है तो वो आया आपने उसका ब्लड सैंपल वगैरह सब कुछ लिया उसका जीन एक्सप्रेशन देखा सब कुछ देखा उसके कैंसर सेल्स निकालने क्या म्यूटेशन हो रहा है सारा निकाला फिर आपके पास ड्रग्स है ड्रग्स को आपने उस मशीन में डाला उस मशीन में डाल के फिर आप क्या कर रहे हो कि अलग अलग केमिस्ट्री बेसिकली अलग अलग ड्रग केमिस्ट्री को ट्राई कर रहे हो कि कौन सा ड्रग केमिस्ट्री जो है उस कैंसरस सेल को सबसे ज़्यादा खराब मतलब कि हील करेगा बेसिकली.
So here you can see these are the kind of gene expression profile where HIF1 alpha, HIF2 alpha, vasculature, endothelial growth factor, GLUT1, GLUT4. So all of these are genes that is associated with the cancer. So let's say if I'm going, this layer shows the depth of the cancer. So layer 1 is the top and layer 8 is the bottommost layer of the cancer, let's say. So with respect to layer, you can see when we are going from top layer to bottom layer, the expression of gene is increasing from 0 to 5. So that means in the bottom layer HIF1 alpha shows there is limited oxygen condition, but so let's say here you can see here HIF1 alpha was less, here HIF1 alpha is more, means if you are going inside the tumor in the bottom, the oxygen presence of oxygen or concentration of oxygen will be less. So in that condition cell will express more HIF1 alpha, means I am a deficiency, I have deficiency of oxygen, something like so with that you can find out okay this is the kind of characteristics of the cancer. So with all of these things you can validate okay these are the characteristics of the cancer and actually you have a cancer, something like
बेसिकली आपको हाँ मतलब मेन इंपॉर्टेंट फीचर ऑफ कैंसर पता चल जाएगा.
main important thing. So let's say out of all of these one gene is sufficient to tell you, but again in research no one is going to understand only based on one experiment. So here we have performed 5 to 6 different genes and we have found same kind of trends that is being followed. So while
ये आपके मशीन में होगा मशीन
all of these
और वो मशीन आप 3D प्रिंट करके बना
yeah 3D printing.
ठीक है तो वो मशीन में ये सारा आपका ये मल्टीपल मान लो 6-7 एक्सपेरिमेंट रन करके आपको बोल देगा विच ड्रग विल बी सफिशिएंट वन. तो इससे मतलब क्या एक्सपेक्टेंसी क्या आपको लगता है कि एफिशिएंसी क्या बढ़ जाएगा कैंसर पेशेंट पे.
Cancer patient की efficiency not, but drug screening efficiency you can increase without going to animal trial and human trial. So earlier what is happening, so in FDA US what is happening, so let's say you are injecting cancer drugs on the rat, that is not ethical also. So 1,000 chemicals if you want to try and all of the experiments you are supposed to do in triplicates. For only one results you cannot say this is correct, right? You have to do one experiment in triplicate. So for 1,000 chemicals 3,000 rats you have to inject. Managing 3,000 rat is not easy in the lab. Logistic issue will get created, huge managements will be required, right? How can you manage 3,000 rat? Let's say if a rat got died in between or with some another disease, then your result will be wrong, right? So what we are doing, we are making a 3D printed device. We are creating the rat kind of tumor microenvironment actually, and in that we are doing all of these drug trials. And based on the results, we can say, okay, now these drugs out of 1,000, 10 drugs only working well for the in vitro condition. Now only these 10 drugs you can try for the rat. Now from 1000 you have reduced to 10 only.
अच्छा, तो इसका मेन पर्पस क्या रहा? मतलब ये एक क्लिनिकल ट्रायल हुआ है,
Yeah,
क्लिनिकल ट्रायल में यू विल मतलब रिमूव ऑल दैट एनिमल एक्सपेरिमेंट एंड
Yeah,
ऑल
and you
दैट।
can fasten the drug screening process also.
और दूसरा ये नहीं है कि मान लो अब 4-5 ड्रग्स है मेरे पास, कैंसर के ड्रग है, तो मैं ह्यूमन को भी वो जब प्रेस्क्राइब करने से पहले भी एक्सपेरिमेंट कर लूँगा, ये
That
नहीं
is
है?
what I'm. Clinical trial is what you are, checking all of these drugs
नहीं,
efficacy.
हाँ नहीं, वो तो क्लिनिकल ट्रायल तो हो गया। अब क्लिनिकल ट्रायल में जैसे अप्रूव हो चुका, आ चुका। अब मान लो क्लिनिकल ट्रायल में अप्रूव होकर 6-7 ड्रग्स आ चुके हैं मेरे पास, जैसे कैंसर के ड्रग केटुडा है, केटुडा
Doxorubicin, paclitaxel,
ऑब्डिवो है, टेसेंट्रिक है, ये सारे अलग अलग ड्रग्स हैं, ठीक है। तो अब मान लो मेरे पास 5-6 ड्रग है और मेरे पास एक पेशेंट है, तो उस पर ट्राई करके नहीं देख सकते हैं कि इसमें
Yeah, you can try, but again also you have to directly biological experience you are not supposed to do. So you have to check parameters also, the efficacy parameters.
अच्छा, डिपेंडिंग ऑन
How
द
much
स्टेज।
concentration of drug is required, because directly you cannot inject.
अच्छा, तो
drug.
मतलब यू सेइंग कि आपका एक्सपेरिमेंट का सबसे मेन इम्पैक्ट होगा आपका क्लिनिकल ट्रायल में।
हाँ.
Clinical
And you
trial.
cannot directly, let's say, you cannot directly inject 200 micromolar concentration of drug, because your organ will get failed eventually. So you are supposed to optimize the doses of the drug also, and how much time that drug is required to circulate in your body. And again, if drug will go inside your body, it will get absorbed in your body, but it has to clear it out. If it won't get clear it out, there will be a disaster in your body. वो एक क्या करेगा, that will create a organ failure or some side effect. Your hair fall will be starting eventually, right? So all of these things are very important. So it should clear it out after, let's say, 10 hours, 5 hours, something like that, based on the this efficacy of the drug. So this is what you can see in my device also. That is what we are doing here.
तो ये ठीक है ना, ये तो फिर क्लिनिकल ट्रायल के बेसिस पे ना।
हाँ.
जो मेरा अल्टीमेट एम था कि मेरे को एक कैंसर पेशेंट को, वो मेरे पास आया मेरे क्लिनिक पे, और मेरे को उसके जीन एक्सप्रेशन के हिसाब से एकदम पर्सनलाइज्ड ड्रग देना है, तो वो अभी नहीं हो। तो ये भी उससे हो जाएगा।
Everything. That's why I'm telling you. Ultimately, you are.
बट जो वो तो कैंसर के लिए तो अप्रूव्ड ही 10-12 ड्रग होंगे ना बस।
हाँ.
तो उस 10-12 ड्रग में से फिर आई कैन
No. So we are not doing on that 10 to 12 drugs only. We are doing unknown chemicals.
नहीं, बट मान लो एक सर्टन आदमी है, वो आपके पास आया, ठीक है, एक डॉक्टर के पास आया क्लिनिक में, और उसके पास आपका डिवाइस है, ठीक है, बट वो
No, that device doctor cannot use.
हाँ,
Doctor is just, they will operate that thing. So drug पहले मैं बना के, I mean, I'll check any chemicals, and if that drug is working for the patient or not, this device is, we are making this device for that thing, for the drug trials, not for the doctor's use.
अच्छा, ओनली क्लिनिक, वही तो ना,
हाँ,
ओनली क्लिनिकल
The
ट्रायल।
doctor only give the injection to patient.
और
that's
डॉक्टर
it.
के पास ये फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी नहीं है कि मेरे पास पेशेंट
No,
है।
a doctor cannot do these things. And who told you doctor is making all of these drugs? No. Doctor
नहीं,
only can inject, that's it.
अच्छा, मतलब ये बस प्योर प्ले क्लिनिकल ट्रायल के लिए है, और ताकि वास्ट रेंज ऑफ चीज़ों पे आप ट्राई कर
Lots of libraries of drugs you can simulate. in it.
एक्सपेडाइट हो जाएगा। जो पहले 3 साल 4 साल लगता था क्लिनिकल
that's
ट्रायल
why,
में, तो वो तो कितना फास्ट कर सकते
So
हैं?
this
जैसे
is how I'm telling you here. So let's say here what is happening. This is target identification. So if I'm talking about the drug discovery for the cancer, so it will start from target identification. The target can be your gene or something like that, and it goes through lots of steps. Here you can see target identification, lead optimization, preclinical trial, clinical trial. Then it will go to approval agency. So during this process, what happens? You will start with 10,000 libraries of compound, and only one compound is getting approved by FDA or some drug agency. So out of these steps, 10,000 compounds, this screening is very difficult from your actually human condition or in vivo condition. That's why here comes a 3D printed thing where you will grow the cells on monolayer. That is also does not replicate your 3D microenvironment. Again, tumor xenograft model where you inject the drug on the rabbit, and again you want to find out the efficacy. That is also not ethical. That's why I am trying to bypass this step, and directly from bypassing these things, you can go to human trials. And you can screen large library of compounds. So eventually doing this process, what you are doing, you are decreasing the time interval, or the time scales along this direction will decrease. First, second thing is that in order to screen 10,000 compounds, you require huge capital investment. And if a billionaires, let's say, want to invest money on that, they are not going to invest 10,000 compounds. Who will do that? So you have to reduce this parameters, something like 10,000 to 100 compound or 20 compound, and then up to 20 compounds only that billionaires can invest in, something like that. That's why we are doing this.
तो लेट्स से कितना एक्सपेडाइट हो जाएगा? एक क्लिनिकल ट्रायल में पहले 3-4 साल लगता था,
हाँ.
तो अब कितना है इस मशीन में?
लेंथ स्केल 1 ईयर में आ जाएगा.
कितना?
लेस देन 1 ईयर और 6 मंथ 8 मंथ समथिंग लाइक.
ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि नया कंपाउंड 2-3 महीने में भी ट्राई हो जाए?
हाँ, कर सकते हैं. बट तुम्हारे लिए थोड़ा सा मैन पावर ज़्यादा रखना पड़ेगा।
हाँ बट मशीन के बट गोइंग फॉरवर्ड तो ये और भी हो जाएगा ना, मतलब
हाँ,
ऐसा है कि आई कैन ट्राई।
अभी ऑटोमेट पूरा नहीं हुआ है। इफ दिस थिंग्स विल गेट ऑटोमेटेड देन डेफिनेटली यू कैन डायरेक्टली डू। सो लेट्स से मैं अभी इसका मत लेना है, तो ये थोड़ा मेरा सीक्रेट है एंड आई एम नॉट सपोज टू डिस्क्लोज दिस। तो यहाँ पे अभी दिखाता हूँ, अभी पूरा मेरा वो हुआ नहीं है उस पर बोलो।
नहीं ठीक है अच्छा करना लो, लेट्स नॉट डिस्क्लोज कॉन्फिडेंशियल।
नो मत तेरे को बता। अच्छा सॉरी, इसमें तो नहीं। नहीं वो सेव नहीं हुआ है, मतलब वो शायद मैं अभी इसमें डाला नहीं, वो कंटिन्यूस प्रोसेस का अलग
So basically friends, on my YouTube channel, this is the summary of our experiment. बट कैंसर सॉल्व नहीं हो पाएगा ना इससे, मतलब बेसिकली सर्वाइवल रेट थोड़ा बढ़ जाए ये सब कुछ हो जाए।
बट अगेन कैंसर का क्या है कि अभी बहुत ज़्यादा मोर्टेलिटी रेट है। सो विद टाइम व्हाट यू वांट मोर्टेलिटी रेट शुड डिक्रीज। सो लेट्स से ये स्टैट्स नहीं है। सो लेट्स से इफ यू वांट टू डिक्रीज द मोर्टेलिटी रेट देन डेफिनेटली दिस इज जस्ट a step wise process. So at the end, all of these people who are working on the cancer across the world, they will come to a conclusion where definitely the mortality rate will decrease, right? Let's say 20 years, 40 years back, there were no well-defined drugs for the cancer. People were giving anything. Right now, there is targeted delivery of drugs. So again, one of my project is there where I will be encapsulating the cancer drugs inside some PLA, these things. Some nanoparticles or some lipids, something like that, where it will go and it will only target to that part of the cancer. It won't target to your heart or your
अच्छा मतलब स्पेसिफिक टारगेटिंग है,
specific target. So
तो साइड इफेक्ट नहीं होगा।
So in order to reduce the side effect, we will be working on that also. So all of these.
और आपके पास कैंसर सेल आते कहाँ से?
We have stored this. We bought from US and right now we are storing also. So once you have started growing the
अच्छा
cancer
वो
cell,
जो -80 डिग्री वाला
minus 80. So you can store
रेफ्रिजरेटर।
-80 and nitrogen, liquid nitrogen only. So cancer cells are the cell lines. That is called as the cell lines. I am working on MD MB231 cell. That is a breast cancer cell line. So because in cancer cells, what will happen? There is a unlimited cell division, right? So you are not able to restrict the cell division. Once you are restrict the cell division, then cancer cell will die. So this is what the
अच्छा
cancer
मतलब
drugs
म्यूटेशन
are.
आपने बंद कर दिया,
हाँ.
फर्दर म्यूटेशन।
So this is how these drugs will work. And these drugs will go, will stop the cell division of the cancer cell, and once it will get stopped, now the tumor size will get decreased, something like that. This is how you are supposed to.
नाइस। हाँ मतलब टारगेटेड वो बहुत ज़रूरी है ना यार कि
हाँ
साइड इफेक्ट ना हो जाए उसका।
मेरा थर्ड प्रोजेक्ट वही है, टारगेट है नैनो पार्टिकल्स में मैं इनकैप्सुलेट कर रहा हूँ ड्रग्स को, एंड दैट विल गो एंड एग्जैक्टली हिट दैट पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी.
And why you specifically got interested in this project only? Why not other project?
Because I found, let's say if I am working on PhD, I already have worked on the sustainability thing, production of biofuels. But why I came in this project? Because this project directly connects the life of human beings, right? And let's say if you are working, and especially in India, in ISC is doing the best research on the cancer across the country. In any another institute compared to another institute. That's why I got this project. This project was really fascinated. The reason was that it is a biological project, you can say, but I can use huge concept of chemical engineering transport phenomenon, that what I have studied. And the ultimate goal is to make a mathematical model for all of these things, where I can calculate the parameter of any unknown drugs, and based on the parameter you can compare this parameter to the unknown drugs, and you can directly observing the value of unknown parameter, you can say okay, these drugs can work for this cancer well, something like that. That's why I got this project and I am working on that.
नाइस। तो और मतलब पूरे अक्रॉस द वर्ल्ड कौन कौन सी यूनिवर्सिटी में ये सेम सिमिलर रिसर्च हो रहा है?
Best kind of research, this kind of similar research is happening in Johns Hopkins. That is the best institute for the cancer research.
कैंसर रिसर्च।
Johns Hopkins. So people are also working in Harvard and University of Massachusetts also, where my PI did the work on the cancer only. So,
And how is the government support on this?
government support is really nice, but my project is totally funded by some private institution from US.
Which
I
one?
cannot disclose that
Acha.
thing right now, but really I am getting good my cash inflow from there for the funding of my project only. So there is no restrictions coming in doing this kind of research, because definitely this research is very very costly. If you are doing one experiment, definitely it will cost you 4,000 to 5,000. So
For
let's
the
say,
dollars.
no, INR I'm telling.
One experiment.
So out of, let's say if you are doing 10 experiments, 7 to 6 experiments will fail. So I think 28,000 30,000 rupees you are wasting in a week, something like that, if you are doing 10 experiments. So this is how the precision and accuracy of this kind of research is. So that's what the issue is. So you need huge amount of money to do this kind of research.
नाइस यार। तो मतलब कैंसर का फिर जर्नी कैसा जाएगा? मान लो अभी आपका रिसर्च से ऐसा हो रहा है कि आपका टाइम लेस हो गया, ठीक है, फिर मोर्टेलिटी थोड़ा बहुत कम हो गया, तो व्हाट विल बी द अल्टीमेट सॉल्यूशन ऑफ कैंसर? लाइक मुझे किसी को कैंसर हो गया और पूरा कैंसर उसका, लाइक आई वांट टू बी श्योर कि जिसको भी कैंसर हो गया 99% उसको मैं हटा ही दूँ यार।
See, no,
पूरा सर्वाइवल रेट पूरा हो जाए।
No, that is not possible. There are stages of cancer. So if I tell you first stage, second stage, third stage. So third stage cancer is called as the metastasis. The metastasis is the condition where the, let's say if you have cancer in one part of the body, and in that condition when the cancer reaches to third stage in metastasis, the cells will start breaking from the tumor and it will start getting circulated across your body through the blood vasculature. So now earlier cancer was localized in your body. In metastasis it can reach to your leg, it can reach to your mind, it can reach to anywhere, because the blood is flowing and from the blood it will start flowing. So now your whole body can have a cancer. So in that condition you cannot serve that person. Right now there is no such kind of research for the metastasis. Once the metastasis has happened, there is a rare chance to save that person.
तो मतलब अल्टीमेटली कितना साल है? मतलब
one first stage, second stage
तक पूरा सर्वाइवल हो जाएगा?
Survive, you can do that while using
complete
drugs.
survival.
Complete survival I cannot say, but you can extend the lifespan of the body. So let's say ultimately what will do. So if you don't treat the tumor, so every day it will divide, and the half-life of cancer cell is very high. Very less. So today it is 2,000, then tomorrow it can be 5,000. But at least if you have given the drugs, or if you have started radiation therapy, all of these kind of therapy that is available right now, so what it will do, it will somehow, it will stop the growth, it will stop the cell division. So now cancer cannot grow. So up to that level now you can start the treatment. But if you don't do the treatment, continuously it will divide, and eventually the size of tumor will increase 20 times, 30 times within 10 days or 20 days, something like that. So at least we are able to do that thing right now. In future, obviously, lots of things are going, and eventually it will come, because again, cancer is not only, treatment is not limited to only you are killing. Treatment is also there for killing the cancer cell and saving your another organs. That is the challenging thing. So one way you are killing the cancer. So any drugs you are giving, that it is not like that will only kill the cancer cell. Another cells are also in your body, so that can also get killed by that drugs. So you have to save another cells also. So that's
basically एक तो हो गया आपका पर्पस हो गया, you have to kill the tumors, ठीक है। दूसरा है कि दूसरे जो components है बॉडी को उसको भी बचाना है from the cancer.
If let's say another cell should not be dying, then there is no issue. You can give the drug and you can kill. But here the problem is you have to save another part also. So there the challenge is coming.
मतलब आप ड्रग, कैंसर का ड्रग दे रहे हो तो वो दूसरे को भी इम्पैक्ट कर देगा।
That's what, yeah.
दूसरे सेल को।
Why can, let's say if a person is diagnosed with the cancer and if you are giving a chemotherapy, and why hair fall is there? The reason is that the mechanism of cancer cell. Let's say if I start with the evolution of drugs discovery of cancer, how drug discovery of cancer happens? It started in 1945 from the World War II. A ship coming from US to Germany to hit the Germany, right? So there were some kind of chemicals that was based on nitrogen mustard gas, something like that. I'll tell you. So when Germany bombarded on the ship, what had happened? That chemicals releases nitrogen mustard gas. And what nitrogen mustard gas did that time, the researchers have found the gas which was diffused in that particular area, the person in that particular area got died, or having found the less population after 20 or 30 years. So what that mustard gas did, that was affected the fast growing cells of the body, like a sperm cell. A sperm cell is very fast growing cell, fast dividing cell. Your hair cell is very fast dividing cell. So from there they have found, okay, if this kind of chemicals can affect the fast growing cell or kill fast growing cell, then cancer is also same kind of property. That is fast way.
Basically,
So the concept came there. Okay, if we use this kind of chemicals, then it can stop the cancer, and that is how that doxorubicin, paclitaxel,
तो
Dextal, all of
बेसिकली
this.
आपके बॉडी में सारे सेल ग्रो हो रहे हैं
Yeah.
और आपके साथ कैंसरस सेल भी ग्रो हो रहा
Cancer
है.
cell will grow.
अब
But the
आपको
growth of-
अब आपको उसका ग्रोथ कम करना है,
हाँ.
तो ट्रेड ऑफ ये है कि उसका ग्रोथ आप केमिकल या कुछ भी पास करा के कम कर दोगे, बट एट द सेम टाइम आपका
you have to compromise.
दूसरा
with
वाला
normal
सेल भी हो
cells.
जाएगा. तो बट इसका अल्टीमेट सॉल्यूशन तो फिर ये है ना कि अगर मैं कुछ ऐसा सॉल्यूशन ढूंढता हूँ जो आपको स्पेसिफिकली टारगेट करके
That's
उसको
why the targeted drug delivery came, no, where you are encapsulating drug in nanoparticle in lipids or with the antibody, so that will go directly and it will hit that
तो
receptor.
वो बस बेसिकली वो बस कैंसर सेल को डिटेक्ट करे और उसी को अटैक करे और उसको ही रोक दे. अगर वो सॉल्व हो जाता है तो फिर कैंसर विल गेट सॉल्व, राइट? यही है ना आपका एम कि आपका एकदम टारगेटेड ड्रग डिलीवरी होना
But the
चाहिए. और
problem is that, let's say, if only one cancer cells is able to survive in your body, then that is also a huge problem.
तो वो भी
So
उसका भी तो कोई
100%
मैकेनिज्म होगा ना. 100% आप कैसे
Right
करेंगे?
now, that's why people are working. It's not very easy. Even
It's you inject some like kind of a nanoparticle something in your blood which keeps on monitoring, which stays in your blood and which keeps on monitoring whole body day by day, because blood तो फ्लो करता ही है. And it tries to, again ये मैं बहुत ही लेमन टर्म में बोल रहा हूँ, मेरे को तो आइडिया नहीं है, बट इट ट्राइज टू फाइंड आउट कि यार एक भी, और मान लो लेट्स से मैंने मेरे सॉल्यूशन के बाद एक छूट भी गया 1% लेट्स से कैंसर सेल है भी, तो वो जैसे ही प्रोलिफरेट करके 2% 3% हो रहा है जैसे, तो वो डिटेक्ट कर देगा यार कि नहीं यहाँ से आ रहा है, यहाँ से आ
that's
रहा
why
है.
it's not
तो
very
आई डोंट थिंक सो इट विल बी पॉसिबल इन वन डे और समथिंग, बट ये
that's why
ऐसा है
I'm telling
कि
people
मैं
this-
आपके अंदर अगर इंजेक्ट करके रख देता हूँ कुछ भी, वो आपको 1-2 साल में बता देगा कि यहाँ से आ रहा है. फिर
No, but-
यहाँ पे तो फिर आपका प्रॉपर मशीन लर्निंग एल्गोरिथम में तो लग जाएगा कि
no, machine learning can work, but again, experimentally, it's not very easy. You can say, but if you
आई एम नॉट सेइंग इट्स
machine learning can do anything, bro, here. But again, while saying these things, it looks very easy. But doing that thing, let's say you have injected that drugs in your body, but again, you have to see, no, that drug is there inside your body, and your body is occupied with huge kind of enzymes. So that any different enzymes got activated, eventually that enzyme will break that nanoparticle or whatever the thing that is being in.
मतलब हाँ, मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि ये इजी है, मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि सॉल्यूशन कैन बी ऑन दिस लाइन. अब ये सॉल्यूशन को इम्प्लीमेंट कैसे करना है, दैट इज
Obviously, see, machine learning can work for that thing, screening of 10,000 compound. That starts from there only. Obviously, first it goes to in silico based method where you have machine learning AI algorithm where you are rejecting, let's say out of 10,000, 5,000 it will get rejected from there. Then you are coming to the experiments.
फिर ये भी तो लाइक अगेन आई एम थिंकिंग आउट जस्ट लाउड, मतलब इसका हो सकता है कि आई एम सेइंग वेरी स्टूपिड थिंग्स बेसिस सम साइंस. तो मैं बोला ये भी तो हो सकता है कि लाइक आई हैव एन एआई सिस्टम, ठीक है, आई हैव अ गाय हु हैज़ कैंसर, ठीक है. अब मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ कि उसको कैंसर है, मैंने उसके सारे बॉडी टेस्ट करा लिए, सारे जीन एक्सप्रेशन टेस्ट करा लिए, सारे कैंसर के टेस्ट करा लिए, सब कुछ करा लिया, और मैंने सारे ही उसके जितने भी इनपुट पैरामीटर है ना, वो मैंने उस एआई सिस्टम को दे दिया, ठीक है. और मेरे को पता है कि ये 2-3 साल से इसके अंदर कैंसर सेल है, ये सारी चीज़ें, तो मैंने एआई सिस्टम को जैसे दे दिया, एआई सिस्टम विल ऑब्वियसली हैव गुड कंप्यूटिंग पावर, तो उसने सारा सिमुलेशन रन करा दिया कि अभी बेस्ड ऑन ऑल दी मैथमेटिकल मॉडल एंड एवरीथिंग कहाँ पे इसके कैंसर सेल्स अभी हो सकते हैं.
But AI system cannot do this kind of algorithm right now because
नहीं अगेन राइट नाउ को तो मैं बात ही नहीं कर रहा हूँ. मैं तो नहीं मिश्रा जी व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से, व्हाट इज गोइंग टू बी द अल्टीमेट सॉल्यूशन ऑफ कैंसर.
gradually
हाँ मतलब मैं अब
ultimate
मैं ये
solution is we have to complete,
मैं ये बोल ही
kill
नहीं
the
रहा हूँ कि
cancer.
ये आज होगा कल होगा परसों होगा, मैं ये नहीं बोल, मैं बोल रहा हूँ
ultimate solution definitely
सम पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम तो ऐसा होगा ना यार कि ह्यूमन बीइंग्स विल बी एबल टू सॉल्व द कैंसर,
obviously.
ठीक है. तो उसका क्या मतलब, उसका तो यही इसी मॉडल पे आपको जाना पड़ेगा ना. बेसिकली मेरे को लगता है एआई ही आपको सॉल्व, क्योंकि आपने खुद बोला कि यार कैंसर सेल म्यूटेट होकर कहाँ चला गया किसी को नहीं पता है, तो आप फिजिकली तो ये कर ही नहीं सकते हो ना यार कि आप भाई बॉडी को मॉनिटर करते रहोगे, तो आपको एक एआई सिस्टम ही चाहिए जिसका कंप्यूटर पावर हाई है.
Up to a certain time AI will work, and after that you have to do the experiments because this is very sensitive
No,
thing. You
experiment.
cannot blindly say okay this drugs will work.
नहीं ड्रग्स का नहीं
Say
मैं
I am telling you one thing, if you have 100 cells, cancer cell, 100 cancer cell will behave differently. It's not like a thing every this is very heterogeneous. That's why the challenge is coming. Out of 100 cancer cell, every cancer cell can behave differently. So if you are giving the targeted delivery also, there is a restrictions. That drugs can only affect the one cell out of 100, and 99 cell again will survive. That's what this is how the research is going. What is the heterogeneity? First algorithm you should have to develop about the heterogeneity. That is the worst part of the cancer.
वेरिएंस क्या है बेसिकली
Variants
कैंसर
क्या
क्या
है?
है?
Why this is heterogeneous? What sorts of the region that is occurring? Why gene expression in every cells are getting changed? This is, and obviously I'm talking about only 100 cells. You can have billions of the cells in your body for the cancer. Billions of the cells. And all of these billions of cells have heterogeneous nature. Definitely their machine learning algorithm you can develop. But again, you have to understand what kind of biology that is happening there, what kind of gene expression, and what sorts of reason that is behind that they are making.
बहुत
that-
मतलब हार्डकोर मैथ्स प्लस एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन प्लस
Everything,
पीपल इन्वॉल्वमेंट ये जा रहा है.
everything. It's not like you will do. This is not a research of only one person. This is not the research of only one person 1 year. No, not at all. I don't think I won't be surprised if we are not able to get complete cure of the cancer for till next 50 years. It's not very easy. This is how these things. Telling these things is very easy, but when you will do actual experiments and you will see, okay, today this is behaving like this, tomorrow you will get the different results.
अच्छा, तो
This
कैंसर
can
सेल
happen.
इज वेरी नोटोरियस.
Very notorious. That's why I'm telling you. This is very heterogeneous actually. So that's why if all of these cells behave same, no, you have machine learning algorithm definitely, and after the machine learning algorithm, you can directly reach to the targeted drug delivery. That is very easy. That's why problem is coming for the heterogeneity of the cancer cell.
तो बट कैंसर सेल ओरिजिनेट ही क्यों करता है फिर?
Mutation, no,
म्यूटेशन, बैड म्यूटेशन हो जाता है.
bad mutation.
म्यूटेशन तो इन जनरल होते ही रहता है ना बॉडी में.
But bad mutation is also good. It's not like mutation is not good. Mutation is good also for your body. But at the same time, mutation is bad like a cancer.
तो कैंसर सेल ओरिजिनेट कैसे हो गया मतलब मेरे को समझ.
Let's say you are taking any carcinogenic thing like you are smoking, you are drinking something like. So all of these chemicals generate a free radical in your body. But let's say your body is normal, your cells are. I mean, a normal cell is becoming a cancer cell only. So earlier normal cell was there and it was behaving good, but you have started smoking. So what happens? It will generate a free radical in your body. Let's say peroxide free radical or so and so for some kind of radical. But now the normal cell won't survive with that radicals. So in order to survive that condition in presence of free radical, it will try to change your DNA. DNA means gene. And in that gene, what will happen? That gene will get mutated. Once it will get mutated, then it will the telomeres. Actually, what happens? The normal cell will divide, let's say 20 times division, 30 times, and after that the telomeres will go vanish, and then cell will die. Plant cell death is happening. That is called apoptosis. But in tumor cell, what happens? The telomeres also grow, and if telomeres will grow, then I don't think the cell will die. So, in absence of all of these carcinogens and free radical, this kind of things happen due to mutation. So now the cancer cell normal cell will become a cancer cell, something. That's what the problem is there. So there is plant cell death, apoptosis, that is not happening in case of cancer, and that is why these kind of drugs have been discovered to make that unplanned death to the planned death, to reach to apoptosis, something like that.
चलो होप सो इट गेट्स सॉल्व्ड इन एटलीस्ट नेक्स्ट 50 years.